My name is Gavin McCauley, so I am the Community Development Coordinator here at Cambrian Village Trust. During lockdown, this space was just an empty blank canvas, and we wanted to develop the facility to allow the community to have a space of their own. My kind of idea was that people would be able to grow their own produce and cook their own produce and sit down and eat together as a community. We got in touch with Transport for Wales. They were talking about the project where we would have some planters and kind of an allotment space. That's where we wanted to keep the ball rolling. We wanted to develop that idea of planting and have a purpose.
I'm Alana Smith. I'm the Sustainable Development Officer at TFW. The Green Roots funding is from the Local Places for Nature scheme from the Welsh Government and National Lottery. So it's meant to try and connect people to nature on your doorstep in communities. And we decided to try and go for this pot of money because we work very closely with communities and we wanted to see how we could enhance nature, enhance biodiversity in our communities and near our train stations.
My name's Jeannie. I've been involved in this community project for a few months now. Yes, it's very exciting and we're fortunate because the lakeside itself is a beautiful area. But then we've got this facility right on our doorstep to enhance it, whereas we can, you know, do these projects to benefit so many people. You know, obviously people that are in low moods even, that they can dip in and out when they feel they need to. The community spirit, yeah, the people who are volunteering is, you know, enabling us to sort of get together and help one another. So yeah, we're enjoying it thoroughly and we're fortunate to have this benefit here.